Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the tactic during the match at any point during the match in manager mode of EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So I made this video for beginner or new player. Previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now it's EA Sport FC Mobile 24. And let's get start by tapping the play button. Tap the manager mode and let's tap the play. Welcome to the manager mode match. So if you already choose your tactic team before the match, you can also change your tactic at any point during the match. So this custom is my tactic before this match begin. You can tap it, you can adjust or you can change this tactic during this match at any point. So there are 4 preset here: attacking, control, counter, and defensive. And you can choose your tactic depend on the situation. Like this, I make a goal, so it's pretty wisely to change the tactic into defensive one. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.